Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here from HempTech, and as you probably guessed from the title, in this giant box I have a skateboard. But not just any skateboard, this is an electric skateboard. In fact, it's my first electric skateboard. Yes, the childhood dream of owning a self-propelled skateboard is finally here. Now, I've always had an interest in electric skateboards, but when I think electric skateboard, I'm thinking of like a big, heavy, expensive longboard type thing that doesn't seem particularly practical for me. And if you Google electric skateboard, you're going to see the usual makes like the Boosted Board, Acton, Evolve, etc. But recently I stumbled across a company called Luboard, and that's what's in here today. Specifically the Luboard 3.0. I was interested in this board for a few reasons. One, it looks super sleek. Two, it's really practical. And three, I love that it's got hub motors in the wheels instead of belt driven. And unlike in the past where it seemed like you had to live in the US to get one of these, sign up to some kind of Kickstarter and wait months and months for it to be made, you can actually buy one of these right now from Skate Hut, where I'll put a link in the description below so you can check these out. Right, let's get this bad boy open. Now a skateboard like this seems perfect for me. It looks small enough where I'll be able to take it to the gym and it'll fit into lockers and stuff like that. Because the only real videos I've seen of these are people cruising on them in San Francisco, LA, and I don't live in those warm places. I'm in the UK right now, it's like -3 outside. So I want to see if this thing's realistic for someone like me that lives in the UK. Now, most of the electric skateboards I've been interested in the past have been Kickstarter companies. So when I've seen unboxings of them, they come in like beaten up old boxes, and the people have had to wait months to get them. The presentation so far is really, really nice. I hope the above cam can capture it. It looks awesome. Let's turn it around. I need to get a bigger room. Here we go. You can see there, really nice presentation, which I wouldn't expect from an electric skateboard. Oh, here we go. Here is the Luboard 3.0. That doesn't look the most secure. I saw a recent Instagram post from them where the Velcro completely covers this and the bottom as well. Being a Kickstarter company, they're constantly making upgrades and listening to feedback from their clients and stuff like that. Now this is meant to be splash proof and dust proof. So when this is on, water shouldn't get in there. It should be okay in the rain. One of the reasons why I bought this living in the UK because of the weather. You've got a battery here which moves around. Again, I don't know if that's the most secure, but we'll soon find out. But what that means is you can carry a few batteries with you, so if one runs out, you can grab another one. So I will just put this on. I'm hoping when you start riding it, that your weight secures it down nicely. You'll notice the front wheels look different to the back. That is because the hub motors are in the back wheels. There's two of these, 1500 watts each, giving 3000 watts of power between the two. This is meant to propel you to a top speed of 21 miles per hour and gives you a range of between 11 and 15, which is something I'm going to be testing out very shortly to see if it lives up to the stats. You get a little book here. Introduction, safety, how to clean it, blah blah blah. Yeah, we'll ignore that for now. And in the bag you get a skate tool. Can't have too many skate tools. Very nice. And the remote. Oh wow, this is tiny. I thought it'd be bigger than this. So you've got forward, back. I think you press it down and you can reverse as well. And you've got slow mode. Whoa! I just had an image there of it flying off into the couch. And you've got fast mode as well. So I'm probably going to start that in slow mode just to get used to it. So seems nice, kind of grippy, lightweight, not too bad. Oh, little scuff there. And charging micro USB. Okay, we've looked at the top. Let's take a look at the underneath. Oh, this is so nice. So you can see it's got a lovely carbon fiber finish. Really, really nice chunky wheels. I don't know what that is. I feel like it should charge from that, but then what's the micro... Right, okay. Making sense. Micro USB to charge the controller. This little box here was stuck inside the bigger box. I'm guessing it's got the charger in it. Oh, what? That's annoying. I feel like I remember reading somewhere that you needed to get some kind of adapter, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Bloody Kickstarter. Here's the charging brick, pretty standard. I think it lights up when you charge this up. So hopefully you guys have seen everything you need to. You've got the charging brick, you've got the controller, you've got the skate tool. I've shown everything I need to, and we've seen these. Oh God, I've just turned on accidentally. There's no on button. You just roll it forward when you want to use it. Okay, I'm gonna get this charged up now, take it outside and take it for a spin. See you there. Hey guys, so I bought the lure board to Rutland Water because it's absolutely beautiful and there's really, really long paths, so I can take it for a spin, see what it's like. Now, as I mentioned before, this doesn't come with a UK adapter, it only comes with an American plug, but it seems to have a little bit of juice in it. So I'm gonna start this off on the most chilled out setting, which I'll show you now. So that's the slowest setting. I'm just gonna be in that just to get my bearings and hopefully start to get used to it. I think you just roll it to get it started. And slowest mode. Brake test. Ooh. Okay, that was pretty chill. Right, you can see it because I've just opened it from the box. It's still flashing, but I think it's got enough juice, so. Full fat mode now. I haven't ridden one of these in a while. By the way, this is a penny board if you don't know, so it's a little bit smaller than the normal one. You went one way then the other. My first electric skateboarding injury. Right, can you pick a side, please? Ah, that is actually really sore. Go there, just stand there. Right, take two. Ow, ow, ow. Too good. So this is it just rolling idly, and then, oh, when you're going faster the brakes seem to be a lot stronger. Obviously that's probably like designed that way so you don't just fall off of it. Wow, that is really good. So you push it forward and it gradually speeds up and it hits a top speed of 21 miles an hour, and then does it go backwards? I think if you push it down, and you can reverse as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, it's really, really good. It was really wobbly at first because it's a penny board, I'm not really used to it, but I feel like after maybe using it for a while, you'd get used to it. So overall, really, really fun. It's a lot quicker than I thought it was gonna be. I literally wouldn't want a board, sorry, this small to go any quicker because it was really, really fast. First impressions, love it. This top bit seemed a bit flimsy when I first opened it, but actually now I've ridden it, it seems to be pretty solid. So overall, really, really happy. And the remote's cool as well. So guys, that's it for part one of my electric skateboard review, specifically the Lure Board 3.0. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me?